Hi friends, welcome to DIY Crafty Sewing channel. Now we are going to make beautiful rosebud. For that I am taking the ribbon piece which is having the width 1 inch and length 2 inch. Here I am using 3 plus 5 plus 8 total 16 pieces. Now give a heat touch up to the edges to the each piece as shown here. Fold the ribbon as shown in the video. Join that corners by giving heat touch up. Follow this process for each petal. Please keep in mind, follow the same direction folding for all the petals. Otherwise you may not get the required flower shape. Now all the petals are ready. Take the needle along with thread. As shown in the video, arrange the two petals one over the other and give a running stitch. Similarly, place the third petal on the second petal as shown in the video. Join them by giving running stitch. Now overlap the starting part and ending part of the petal as shown here and join them by giving running stitch. Here I am making the first layer of the rosebud with 3 petals. After completion of stitching, gently pull the thread, give a knot and trim out the extra thread. By using the 5 petals, repeat the same process to make the second layer of the rosebud. After completion of stitching, gently pull out the thread. Don't pull the thread too tightly, it will spoil the flower shape. Before giving the knot, first check whether small rosebud fits well or not in the big rosebud as shown in the video. When it seems to fitting well, then give it the knot and trim out the extra thread. It is your choice to join both the layers with glue gun or stitching. Here I am using the stitching method. Similarly, repeat the same process for the third layer. For the third layer I am using the 8 petals. Now beautiful rosebud is ready. Now we are making the leaf. For that I am taking the ribbon piece which is having the width 1 cm and length 5 cm. At one end of the ribbon, fold the ribbon as shown in the video. By holding with the plucker, give a heat touch up to join that fold. Now at another end of the ribbon, fold as shown in the video. With the help of the plucker, give a cross cut and join them by giving heat touch up. If you like our video, please like it. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe for more upcoming videos. Now beautiful leaf is ready. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a great day.